Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kushank sir. Today I have brought a topic of your chemistry subject. It's a type of numerical where you have to convert Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to Celsius. We'll take a same value, only one value we'll take which is 50 degrees Celsius, and we'll convert it into Kelvin, and after that we'll reverse it to Celsius. Let's see. First of all, we are taking the formula Kelvin is equals to 273 degrees Celsius, 273 plus Celsius. Okay, so what we'll do, Kelvin is equals to 273 plus, in the place of Celsius we will put 50 because the value of Celsius is 50 degree. Now Kelvin is equals to, we will plus it, it will be 3, 7, 5, 12, and this will be 323. So when we are converting the Celsius into Kelvin, so it will come 323. After that what we will do, we will reverse it. Now the formula is, now what we will do, suppose we are having the 50 degrees Celsius as Kelvin. Now the Kelvin value is 50 degree. Okay, what we will do, we have to take out the Celsius. Same formula, Kelvin is equals to 273 plus Celsius. Now here the Kelvin value is 50, so we will put here 50. This will be 273 plus Celsius. Now what we will do, we will transport 273 this side, left side. So here the sign is plus, now it will come, this side will become minus, is equals to C. Here will be Celsius. Now we will subtract it. 30 it will become 3, 7, 5 it will become 2, and here it will be 2. Thus here we will put the bigger sign, so the bigger value is 273, so sign will be here minus. Okay, so the Celsius value will become minus 223 degrees. This will be our answer. So here we have seen that when the value is in Celsius, so how we will take it in Kelvin, and when the value is in Kelvin, so how we will take it in Celsius. So in next class we will have the next topic. Till then, just subscribe and like and share as much as you can. Thank you.